Welcome to IdeaPlex, where we take crazy tech ideas and turn them into reality. This AI just destroyed the competition, turning simple text into Hollywood level videos in seconds. But here's the crazy part, nobody saw this coming. Today on IdeaPlex, we're diving into a new AI tool that's taking the creative world by storm. We're talking high quality video generation, no code editing, real time visuals. This might just be the future of content creation. No expensive cameras, no crews, no editing suites. Just you, your imagination, and Kling AI. Kling AI is an AI powered platform specializing in content creation, automation, and text to video generation. It offers tools for generating articles, social media posts, and even videos from text prompts, leveraging advanced NLP and machine learning. Developed by the minds at Kuaishu, China's TikTok rival, Kling lets you generate videos up to 3 minutes long in full 1080p just from a single sentence. And it doesn't stop at text. You can go from image to video, remix others' creations, or even breathe life into your drawings. Underneath all the slick visuals are two core models: Kling for videos and Colors for images. These aren't your average diffusion models either. They're fine-tuned for motion, style, and vibe. What makes Kling stand out is its ability to render not just images that move, but actual cinematic motion. Look at the camera pans, the light effects, even the character expressions. It's honestly insane. From anime intros to moody film scenes, Kling's got serious range. And the best part? It's fast. Like 1 minute to video fast. Now, let's talk use cases. Because this isn't just a toy for tech nerds. This is a powerhouse for any creator. YouTubers, marketers, indie filmmakers, animators. You're a YouTuber? Make intros or explainers without hiring an animator. A brand marketer? Run a whole campaign with zero production cost. Filmmakers stuck with budget constraints? Now you can prototype entire scenes visually. Streamlined workflow for storytelling from start to finish. Alright, first things first, this is the main dashboard. Clean, dark themed, and designed for creators. On the left, you've got your creative toolbox. From image generation with Colors 2.0 to video creation with Kling 2.0 and even advanced image editing options. Each of these opens up a world of possibilities. At the top, you'll see this banner. Kling 2.0 is here. And yeah, this is a big deal. The update brings improved animation dynamics, better prompt accuracy, and just way smoother AI results. Click Experience for a visual demo overlay. You can try it out directly by hitting the Experience button. Perfect if you're working on Reels, Shorts, or any cinematic AI experiments. For the Kling AI trial package, you get 166 free credits, access to advanced features like professional mode and video extension tools. Definitely sign in and grab this if you're just getting started. Alright, now let me show you something crazy. This is where a single still image transforms into a moving video. Yep, welcome to the Image to Video tab under Kling 2.0 Master. Right at the top, you've got this upload box. Just drag, click, or paste any image here. Image, JPG or PNG formats only, up to 10 megabytes, and make sure it's at least 300px for best results. You can also pull from your history if you've uploaded things before. Super handy for quick iterations. Down here, you'll notice these colorful mini thumbnails. These are hints. They help guide the AI toward a specific cinematic style, like fantasy, surreal landscapes, or sci-fi action. Just click one to influence your video's vibe. Feeling stuck? No worries. Hit the Inspiration and Presets button to browse ready-made styles and prompts. Now, if you want to guide the AI a bit more, drop in a text prompt here. It's optional, but this is where the magic gets really specific. Describe what's happening, what vibe you want, or even a camera angle like slow pan across ancient ruins at dusk. You can even toggle between DeepSeek or other engines depending on what kind of motion or visual quality you're aiming for. Choose how long you want the video to be. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, etc. And if you want multiple variations, increase the output count. All set? Smash that big green generate button and let Kling do its thing. In a few moments, your image gets turned into living motion powered by AI. Pro tip: try combining this with the Multi-Elements tab if you want to tell a full story using multiple frames or scenes. Alright, let's get you set up with Kling AI. It's quick, easy, and totally worth it if you're diving into AI art, video generation, or even anime figures. First things first, go to www.klingai.com. The homepage looks sleek, and you'll see a big prompt about Kling 2.0 right away. Sign up using your email, Google, or Discord account. Personally, I use Google for fast access, but pick whatever's easiest for you. Now you can generate images, edit them, or even turn text into high-quality video, all with the power of Kling's AI engine. If you want to save your creations, make sure you stay signed in and check out their credit system to keep generating beyond the free trial. This is Kling 2.0 Master, the latest and greatest version. And right here, we're in the Image to Video tab under Video Generation. We've already got our start image selected, this post-apocalyptic warrior cat. You can click, drag, or paste your own image, as long as it's JPG or PNG under 10 MB. This is our starting frame. You can also add an end image if you want the video to transition from one scene to another. Super handy for storytelling. Below that, you'll see hints. These are style presets to inspire your animation. You can pick from fantasy, sci-fi, nature scenes, and more, or hit the refresh icon to load new styles. You're now in the image generation section of Kling AI, using the Colors 1.5 model, which is geared for creative and stylistic image rendering. This is where you turn written ideas into detailed, stylized images using AI. You can also use the Deepfake or hints buttons to auto-generate or inspire prompts. You can upload an image to help guide how the AI interprets your subject. Aspect ratio is set to 9:16, vertical, perfect for Reels, TikTok, Shorts. 4 outputs means Kling will generate 4 image variations. Once your prompt and references are ready, hit this neon green generate button to create the images. If you're a creator who loves experimenting, try it. But if you need reliable professional tools, maybe wait. And that's how you bring your static art to life with Kling AI. If you're into creative content, animation, worried about cost, plans start as low as $6.99, and honestly, for the output quality you get, it's a steal. Also, they've made it super easy to connect via Discord, TikTok. So whether you're an artist, content creator, or just curious about the power of AI, Kling AI has built a playground where imagination meets automation. Stick around because in the next video, I'll show you how I made a full cinematic sequence using just text and Kling AI. You won't want to miss that. Hit that like button, subscribe to IdeaPlex, and I'll catch you in the next one.